Hey, welcome back to Lupo Outdoors. Today we're here. This is ShotShow Day 2. I'm so tired, but we're here at Timber Creek. So Timber Creek has a soft spot in my heart. I love their products. They do great jobs. If you're into customizing your weapons, this is your one-stop shop right here. So Josh, what do we have that's new this year?
Yeah, so Timber Creek has been known for a long time for their AR accessories. That's kind of been our bread and butter, right? The colors, the AR accessories. So over the last couple years, we've been not getting away from that. It's still really good for us, but moving into rifle chassis and now into pistols and kind of pistol accessories. And so one of the new things we have this year, this is for the Sig Sauer P365, the X Macro.
Nice.
We have two different models of this. It's just a grip mod, so it plugs and plays really nicely. A couple things I like about it is it's got this gas pedal there built in on the side. They got that nice texture. It's sleek, it's slim. We have the grooves under the trigger guard here that just fits the hand really, really well. We are really excited about that. Yeah, play with it.
So, oh my goodness. I really like how that feels. Oh my God.
And all of
it.
And
then, like, you know, we're gripping up, everything just fits right there. You know, oh my gosh, that's actually amazing. That feels really, really good.
Yeah, thank you. And it's that 6061 billet aluminum, right? So it has that solid feel to it. Where it's like, oh, it's sleek, it's slim, it feels good, but also I could be rough with it and it's gonna hold up. So that's one thing. The other thing that we're really excited about this year is, you can see here, this is our rifle chassis. It's not new. They sell well for us. What I'm excited about back here is our precision carbine stock. And so it's an adjustable stock, right? That's nothing fancy. But on the backside, it's got a set screw that will lock this whole thing up, make it super solid. If you're shooting long range, it works great. And the other thing I love is this angle right here. When you shoulder the rifle with this angle on the stock, it gets rid of the need for a riser block. And so instead of you going down to the rifle and your anchor point being down, it actually brings the rifle up to you and it allows you to shoot straighter as far you're going long distance. So you can go ahead and shoulder that. I'm a huge fan of it.
Oh my God, you mold right into it. It's just like, I don't even have to adjust. It just fits right in there. Oh my God, you're right, because my shoulder's here and the rest of my body's like right here.
Yep.
And it's perfect. Absolutely perfect.
Yeah, a lot of stocks, when you go to shoulder, right, you have to bring your face down to line up with your optics.
It's kicking right in there. That's brilliant. I absolutely love that. Now, are these in color combinations as well?
Yeah, so we'll do the carbine stock, we'll do in all of our 10 stocking colors.
Yeah.
We have a smaller version here, not on the rifle. That's just your standard, right, with the same type of set screw in the back so it can lock out. But the feel of it and it being that aluminum and being able to get the color, I think is a huge benefit.
Yeah, I agree. Wow, that's really nice.
That's it, brother. That's new to ShotShow. We're excited about it. Obviously, the AR industry has been really, really good to us. Yeah. But it's also fun to branch out and be able to do some different stuff.
Completely agree. One of the things I really like about your guys' products is if you have a color that you really, really love. So with me, it's burnt bronze. Pretty much anything burnt bronze, I have to have it. That's my color I love. But you know, we have red. Let's look at the colors.
Yeah, see if we can see them. So right here, you can kind of see them well. I mean, these are our 10 stocking colors, right? So we have black, FDE, the OD green, the anodized red, purple, orange, the blue, all pop really well. And then we have our Cerakoted robin's egg, the tungsten, and the bronze down there at the bottom.
It's all there. So if you have a custom idea, and nothing says you can't mix and match. So like if you want red and then you want the accents purple, you can do that. You can make anything you want that fits you. Part of the fun of being a gun owner is making your firearm yours, right? So the whole customization aspect of this, absolutely brilliant.
Yeah.
Very cool. Josh, thank you very much for your time.
Yeah, of course. Thanks for stopping by, guys. We appreciate it.
Thank you.